Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon member. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Yes, welcome again, we continue the Jolyan Silvera saga. Back in Jamaica, these people are untouchable, politicians. And, this man was so confident that he would get away with this crime that he would use even his own license firearm to kill his wife in her sleep. And then he was able to get a same member of the PMP criminal organization, allegedly, Dr. Dayton Campbell, that's the General Secretary of the PMP criminal organization, to pronounce her dead. And I don't know, where Mr. Fitzbailey gets his information from, but I am not privy to the investigation where I said intimate knowledge of what's going on. But DCP Fitzbailey says that the duty of the doctor, that Dr. Dayton Campbell, was just to pronounce the woman dead and nothing else. He's not required to attend court or anything like that, and no, he's not subjected to be questioned by the police. I don't know how that, because we can see from day one that it has been not only it's been a cover up from the get-go, but is the person who Jolyan Silvera made the first call to after he had killed his wife. And then after that, that's when Sergeant Dabney, that's the former bodyguard of Jolyan Silvera. Yes. So right now, you're looking at your LCD, you would see that, yes, yeah man, Jolyan Silvera was not born in Jamaica. He's not a Jamaican by birth. Yeah man. So he's considered a flight risk. So the court must not grant him any bail. Yes, and we have seen Noel Maitland, allegedly kill his girlfriend, the socialite, and to date no one has been able to find her body. And they say that he has disposed of her body, because that's how evil operates. So we're going to see what is going on with Jolyan Silvera's case. But the man was so confident that he used his own license firearm. He didn't even try to get rid of it, because that they were trying feverishly to get a medical doctor to sign off on the cause of death so that they could cremate the body. But thanks to former Prime Minister P.J. Patterson, yes, and it's P.J. Patterson that blew the lid off everything and exposed even the police department for who they are. So don't think that Jolyan Silvera arrest is because of the police efforts. No, it's not. It was a cover-up from day one. It's because of public pressure. You understand, from especially from social media. Some people ghost, and as me, someone called and said that I have been really a thorn and a troublemaker. You understand, and if look how many decades I have left the police force, I am still causing trouble for members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. I don't say, I'm causing any problem. And some people ask, what do I expect to get out of what I am doing? If I think that I am safe wherever I'm traveling, because I'm in the crosshairs of so many people, and there have been plotting somewhere or the other how they can get me. I didn't even know that. You know, that my enemies have been plotting until, you know, someone had called me and told me. Yes, not a friendly call, but, you know, just out of concern, you know, because they're like, what's in it, you know, what's in it for you? Why are you doing all of these things for Jamaica? And I just tell them straight up, you know, the reason why I am doing this is because I love my island where I was born. Yes, and the most important thing is just that to put some things in place that's, look, whenever we depart this earth, at least we can leave a legacy. You understand? Yes, some people say, ask, what have you done for Jamaica? Well, I have done a lot. You understand what I'm saying? I have done a lot. I can tell you. I can tell my loyal viewers and subscribers, not because you haven't heard, you know, not because, you know, the elites don't recognize me or anything like that as part of them, but I have contributed even more to the police force than all of these educated people, even the commissioners of police. Yes, they have left they have left their mark by changing how people are promoted and stuff like that, in which the system that the British have left was better. You understand? So what I am doing, I'm just trying to do my best. Everyone came on this earth for a purpose, and my purpose is what I am doing right now. Yeah, and I think that I have accomplished so many things in life that I always wanted to accomplish, and I think this right now is my calling, because I just want to see, I see my country has been torn up from inside out. Various stakeholders, people pretend that they love Jamaica, but they don't. I deeply love Jamaica because that's where my neighbour string was cut. Yes, my neighbour string wasn't cut at any hospital or anything like that. My neighbour string was cut at home. Yes, and it was cut by a nurse with the same last name as yours truly, Porter. Yes, so you know that was back then. So that's the reason why we keep fighting, because we don't want to destroy lives. We want to save lives. If you see, the reason why Mr. Silvera is in the predicament where he is at is because this man has been doing so many things for many years, and he always been getting away with it because of his connections. Because in Jamaica, you know, money rule, money talk, and you know, BS walk. And finally now he's be able to account for his deeds, his actions, and that is what is happening. So yeah, man, Jolyan Silvera was confident he would not be charged with murder, as his former bodyguard, Sergeant Dabney, was the investigating officer, and party bigwigs were confident too, because they know the police hierarchy operate. You understand? But by, you know, people from within, close to the investigation, also people within the PNP criminal organization. Because you have many people from in a PNP criminal organization, and I can tell Mark Gold and the likes. Yes, that's why we're here, because it's not everyone in a PNP are criminal minded and support criminality, you know. But they have to go along to get along. Because it's like them just can't like the labor right, them and them thing there. That you understand? Them would have like to see the party, you know, really come back to even before 1972, but them just can't go back there. And these are people who are in their 70s, you understand, who very upset at what is happening to their party, because they say that these people have taken the party and put it on a trajectory that's, they're really, you know, it's really disturbing to these people, because they're wondering if the parties, if the PNP criminal organization is going to continue like this, then we don't have a Jamaica. If these people ever get the reign to control the Jamaican government. So as we told you before, that yes, that Jolyan Silvera is not Jamaican. Yes, and to enough people that's supposed to be surprising. Yes, he was not born in Jamaica, so he's not a born. Jolyan Silvera was not born in Jamaica. He is not a born Jamaica. He was born in the United Kingdom. So some people may be wondering how he could represent the PNP criminal organization in a general election win his parliamentary seat, and was able to take the oath as a parliamentarian in the Jamaican Parliament. Well, you have to understand there's certain requirements that you understand what I'm saying. That the rules, as they say, you can't have dual citizenship when it come on. So the Commonwealth to serve in the Jamaican Parliament. But we soon get down to that and explain to your loyal viewers, audience members, subscribers, and members of the Patreon squad, why Mr. Silvera was able to serve in the Jamaican Parliament, and it was legal. You understand? Remember, it was when Bruce Jolyan won the election, because before then, you could have your American citizenship and you serve in Parliament, but because Bruce Jolyan had won, and this guy Dabdo, Abe Jalil is the one. Yes, they are rich people, the Dabdos. Yes, and yeah, the Dabdo, Abe Dabdo was the one who took the Jamaica Labour Party to court, and that's why Darrell Vaz and all these guys have to renounce their U.S. citizenship. And you see, so that's why there's some people have said, Edward Seaga wasn't qualified, but it's not that he wasn't qualified, but it's just that he did not renounce his American citizenship because he was born in America, and he was Jamaican just like, and he was even more Jamaican than most Jamaican politicians. So we'll continue the journey, you understand? So at this present moment, Jolyan Silvera is in the Kingston Central Police lockup on charge of murder for killing his wife Melissa Silvera. Yeah man, Jolyan Silvera was not born in Jamaica, and he is considered a flight risk, so the court must not grant him any bail. Yes, Jolyan Silvera must not be granted any bail. Yeah, so welcome to our channel, to the Jamaica Young Police channel. If this is the first time over here, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above, click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful and informative. Yes, despite some misinformation, it is important to clarify that there is no like button on YouTube. So we just are reminded, there is no like button on YouTube. So please use the thumbs up button to show your support. On the other hand, if you choose to hit the thumbs down button, we kindly request that you reconsider, as it helps us understand your concerns better. Yeah, so we know if you hit the thumbs down button, we know that you're not a law-abiding citizen. You're a criminal enabler. Yeah man, you're a criminal supporter. So we don't want you over years. You understand? So if you look right now, you look at your LCD, yeah, you see Jolyan Silvera and big PMP orange shirt, and you see him gun that one is a matic him use and bust up some shot in him wife, and that a Jamaican flag below the gun, and we say no, he's not a Jamaican. Yeah man, he's kind of born here. You understand? He's not a born Jamaican, but he have all of the required documentation to live in a Jamaica. You understand? So you can join the Patreon squad. Yes, by joining the Patreon squad, you'll gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this untapped collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Joining our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules and regulations while avoiding disruption to our channel functionalities. Yeah man, thanks for your continued support, and we look forward to providing you with exceptional contents on the Jamaica Young Police channel. Over here, yeah man, we tell you the real mama papa truth. You understand? So we are telling you, as a former detective in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, yeah man, been there, done that. Jolyan Silvera, yeah man, is a flight risk, and he's arrested and charged with murder. And he's currently at the Kingston Central Police lockup. So in this gripping video, we uncover the shocking story of Jolyan Silvera, a non-Jamaican national. Yes man, he's not a Jamaican, because he wasn't born here, who stands accused of a heinous crime. You have murder of killing his wife, shot her 3 times in her sleep, and then, boy, I show you this brother how him cold. That's why court can't give him any bail, because you know that this man is not an honest person. This man do not believe in truth. Because you know, criminals, you know, there's no honest criminal, you know. And you know, he's coming from the PMP criminal organization, so don't expect him to be honest. So that is what he's showing, that he's not honest, because remember that he told us that, you know, that his wife died from brain aneurysm. That was, you know, and we'll get back to that until the first person that he had called. Yes, because the plot thickens. But you know, most YouTubers, they won't venture down this way because, you understand, because of fear. But you know, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, the only fear we fear of God. We don't fear man. How many times a man can kill us? Once. And we know what, look, from before we attained the age of 18, we know what we wanted to be. A police officer, a detective. Yes, man. And some people, boy, you keep repeating it. I love that about Tom Levine. Yes, we not stop talking about him. Tom Levine, where we at right now. Because he is the one that inspire us then. You understand? As a little boy, 4-year-old, can you believe that? At 4, a man, yeah, based on the things that you hear people say, and then you see the man, you understand, your idol, and you say, yes, I me want to be like that man there. You know? And then you imagine you get even work with that man there. You know what a joy that man. Ghost power, yes, man. So, you know, we'll continue the journey. You understand? Yeah, so, you know, so as we delve deeper into the details surrounding Jolyan arrest and his current confinement in the notorious Kingston Central Police lockups. So, you know, yeah, and he's there now, and the man, I enjoy, he might get preferential treatment, he might get him food, he not even eat prison food, he not even eat the jail food and them thing. And hey, look, and the man, I get all them visit from them lawyer, them, and them in a maximum, hey, me I tell you, man, I live some life there, them thing there. The only thing now left him get now, if him start get girl to like Vibes Cartel and all them thing, they come look for him and them thing there. Trust me, you think the prisoner them, the prisoner them, don't let them go easy, you know, man. When them are talk, you know, talk up the things, you know, about the police them. You understand? But I just saw it go still, you know. So we give thanks to them, you understand? Because they are part of the society, you know, not because them behind bars, and we believe in a redemption. Because in our life, people do make mistakes and some people learn from it, but I want them who do not want to change. The ones that want us to conform to their behavior, and them who don't want to be held accountable for their actions. You understand? So moving on. So in this compelling narrative, we explore the charges against Jolyan Silvera, highlighting the devastating accusation of murdering his wife. You know, what could I take a man? You claim say 4 children this woman have for him. And guess what? This is his second marriage, you know, but we soon talk about the first one and all them things there. Imagine, you know, this woman gave 4 sons, and it is alleged that, yes, you know, Jamaican police are not like American police. If you exhume the body and see if, you know, look on the little boy, the skeleton that there, if them can't be able to find anything to show that, apart that it was drowning. Because maybe him kill the youth, you know, for insurance money. Because the man I love money, you know, man. And when people wicked, you have to just always think that everything that they do, they have some nefarious motives behind it. Nothing genuine. Just like how him kill him wife and say, boy, him know, you know, man, or the man kill him wife and all out there, you know, with Mark Golden, you know, and the likes, you know. And same wife dead from brain aneurysm. I wonder how Mark Golden wife feel if you know, say, boy, her husband know, say, a member of his criminal organization, the PMP, you know, that pretends to be a political party, but it's a criminal organization, and he is the leader. Because, and him know from day one, say, I murder the man, murder his wife. Shut her up in her sleep. But because they were so confident that they would get away with it, them never dispose of anything. The only thing them did was change the, refurnish the crime scene, but that, you know, but there are one photograph with a spent shell on the ground and show blood and all them things there, and the wound to the woman. Boy, may I tell her, hey, that's one wicked that, you know, and somebody killing in your sleep. And oh, nobody, we soon explain that part why people claims they didn't hear any explosion. Cause gunshot or something loud, and I believe you me. You see especially, me tell you, you see especially when you come in at night, when you fire a gun in the night. I remember say up in a hill that it echo, I don't know if the people them on the hill are like, for instance, we don't see if you on a fire M16 in the night. Just when you fire that, you hear it echo up in the red hills, Yes, man, I tell you, you hear it echo when you fire it. When you fire the M16, or even the 9, you understand? When you fire it. But when you work at them places as police, detective on the street, if you have M16 in the night, or even there, you understand? Because we always used to sit up on the street and them things, because we don't like the office, we don't like sweet boy business, we like for out there where they all carousing them. That's we can, confront them and send them straight to the departure lounge. Because you don't know, St. Andrews out, that hey, that is a factory that for criminal, for all killers, man. Me I tell you, Yeah, man. So, moving on. Yeah, so, so as we tell you already, say, Jolyan, as the case unfolds, it becomes evident that Jolyan Silvera poses a significant flight risk, making it imperative for the court to deny him bail. Yeah, man, and the court mustn't grant him the bail because the man is not a born Jamaican. He live at Jamaica, have all our requisite, but he's not a Jamaican, so the man is a flight risk. Yes. So you know that he's at the Jamaica Kingston Central Police lockup, notorious, for housing some of the island's most dangerous criminals. And the cell that where Jolyan Silvera is staying, that are where Dodo's brother Bamati, Livity, Blackman, a paid dangerous criminal house where him at, because they are maximum that in a jail, So he's there by himself. Him have all him cell phone and all them things there. So it go, Yeah, money run things on him, you understand? Oh, you understand? The SOIC in charge of lockups and when me and Barris Williams, you think he might go around there? And Barris Williams a baby, you understand? Barris Williams are not a bad police like all Mevral Smith and all them man there, So then the man not go try for rough and create no problem, because them no want nobody send them to the departure lounge. Because then the man never fire a gun yet in them life unless upon range, Then the man they have bookman and churchman and all them thing there, you understand? Them man they never even see all a man I'll pick up in all a shootout a man, go straight to the departure lounge. The man not used to them thing there. Although the man that are central, you understand? So him not go cause no problem, and hey, Barris William, him not go run a cell block. Him no, sir. You understand? For go cause the problem. And I like the woman when him called there, where prison them say, oh, Miss Calder, a play, So yeah, we're moving on. So join us on this captivating journey as we shed light on the intricate details of this fascinating case. Delve into the heart-wrenching developments that have left the community and law enforcement grappling with the gravity of these accusations. Yeah, so the thing is that now, why the police did not reveal these information to the public to let them know that this man was not born in Jamaica? That's the $1 million. Why the police did not really, because normally, when you're as a detective and you arrest and charge somebody with a crime, you have to write where the person was born and all of these things and them date of birth and them things. So why that information is not made public? Why we have to go and search and all them things to get information about this man? So hey look, no, I was telling you before, nobody feel like say this case done, Nobody clap your hand already and I say, yeah, and high five on them thing there. Because them still a cover it up, them still a cover up the murder case. Sergeant Dabney supposed to be charged with accessory after the fact. Number one, he saw a Spenshell on the scene. You must say, boy, I'm a detective. Spenshell means a gun with fire there. Blood, and him see a wound in a woman body. In a woman body jaw. And she have shot down in her lower abdomen. And him him smell blood. Hey, look here, I can't tell you this. Anytime you go upon it, and remember, a body, when I tell you this as a detective, you see a body, anytime somebody is killed or them die, You understand? The body, you know, tell you what happening, you know. The body will tell you if a suicide or a murder. Because the body has scream out. You understand? Well, if you go up on a scene and then you have people who are doctor tell you to cover up the body and them don't want if you inspect it, but yet still you see pencil on the ground and you see blood and you smell strong blood and then you smell, not only strong blood, but you can smell that there's a cleaning agent there. But because you're part of the conspiracy and you understand, and first thing as a man greet you and just give you 100 pack. Boy, you forgot, yeah, you get a what? We have said that a long time, man. Oh, you not even come check me. Here, man. And then he might ask, so what? Where I say, boss, why you call me? So, boy, you know, say, yeah, you know, say, Melissa, boy, me and Melissa got a bed and, you know, this, you know, she, you know, boy, come like she have a brain aneurysm. Cause allegedly, you know, Dr. Dayton Campbell come up with that, you know, cause I'm a doctor. And then them have the little, you know, blood through our nose and all them things there. And you understand? And him I tell him, say, boy, I just that happen and them thing there. And show for him, boss. And him, the 100 pack, him forgot where him got about all them thing there. Because I money cause him now to start think differently. You understand? And him just lose him train of thoughts. Even although him see it and him smell him, man. But him ask a question and them thing there. Like, him should have, but remember, you know, he's a part of the conspiracy. And then now we hear DCP Fritz Bailey, Fitz Bailey, saying that, boy, there is no cover up. Boy, I not believe you. I not believe you. Trust me, I not believe you, Mr. Bailey. Believe you me. I don't believe you one iota, sir. You know, no credibility. And that going from Patrick Bailey case. And I've said a long time ago, you know, that's an easier case than even this one. And this one them charge Silvera. So I don't know how Patrick Bailey can charge. You understand? Give McCarter Sutherland the case. What say if you don't give McCarter. So the commissioner of police, I don't know really commissioner, I'm not a police, him just there, them say my manager. The commissioner of police are manager now. I saw them do it. Yeah, I tell you everything them I mash it up on them thing there. So I don't like to say, boy, you put a doctor in charge of surgery. Yeah, say my chief surgeon, but him and a doctor. Yeah, so them I do I mash up the police force. So, well, why at least him know that corrupt still like, you know, for with DCP them and them thing there, boy, I tell you. You know, see it. So hopefully, yeah, you know, why in time Andy Cigar and Sutherland, we don't know how long him are there and them thing there, you know. Why it's a sad situation when you look at Jamaica, what is happening right now. The corruption, boy, I tell you, in the 21st century, when things supposed to get better, because that's all we want back to country and them thing there. Yeah, man, I know that I have made enemies on both sides of the aisles and enemies everywhere. And do I care? No, I don't care one iota. How much time I got dead? I want one time. Some people are saying, boy, yeah. No, look here. What is to be must be and them thing there. Me, I mean, I left myself careless. The morning time I come to Jamaica, when I go to Jamaica, I tell a man, me in a station and link the man and make the man know so me I come on them thing there. You understand? I go to Jamaica and them thing, I go to Jamaica and do what I do and just leave. I mean, I understand what I'm saying, I have financial ties to Jamaica based on my job, so I just saw it go. You understand? So a guy can go and bleach and attack, boy, I wait for see me for kill me and them thing there. Most of them I got dead before me, I can't tell you that. I know say me I got dead one day. You understand? Because the only somebody in my family were dead was my father, my grandmother. You understand? She was 93 in the seat and she did how much year now? Well, over 15 years my granny dead. So I just saw it go. All of you got dead. It's just that as my mother said, some got dead before some. So all I want to pray for me dead and them thing there. You better pray that you make it right with God. Because what I am doing and them thing there, I don't do it for no personal gain. I just do it because I love Jamaica. You understand? I don't do this for no money. You know, people contact me and I tell me, say, boy, you know, I call the man name and I say, boy, you don't have to go more than 20 minutes because you get paid by the views per thousands. And, you know, if you have a story and them thing there, you have an hour, you can do it in a 3. And that, you know, you understand? Look here. You know, we continue a journey. Because when I do this, we just do this to change life, can save lives. That's all we all about, you know, because we love Jamaica, you know, we not tell a lie. Jamaica one of the nicest place man hurt. I tell him, he's not a man where, yeah, when I was in Jamaica and them thing there, I was like some police where if a weekend them gone somewhere and them thing there. No, so he's a man, you understand, me just love Jamaica, it's nice still, believe you me. So, yeah, we'll continue the journey. Yeah man, so stay tuned for more updates and revelation to this spine-chilling story. Yeah man, so remember to share, you know, share the channel, share this video with your friend, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, yeah man, your side chick, your side man, yeah man, your upfront man, your husband, your wife, yeah man, tell your friend, tell your friends that, oh, the Jamaica Young Police channel they on fire, you know, them not like criminal, you know, and them want criminal go straight to the departure lounge. Yeah man, or them go to prison, but we don't like prison still doing it, we rather departure long. When them get them one way, non-refundable ticket, no problem. So them can't come to no witness anything. You understand? Witness just come and point them out, say yeah, and them do this and them thing there. And you just police them just clear up the case and the corrosion. You understand? So I just saw it go. So yeah, so remember, you know, if you hit the thumbs up button, you understand? So the 52-year-old Jolyan Silvera is from a family regarded almost as royalty in St. Mary. The man called St. Mary, you know, you understand, yeah. So we at the Jamaica Young Police channel look at the life of a man who stormed onto the national political stage in the 2011 general election, in which Portia Simpson Miller, PMP, trounced Wellness JLP. Yes, so Jolyan Silvera, known as Jojo to his childhood friends, was born in the United Kingdom in 1971 to Ian and Cynthia Silvera. Ian was an administrator at Caymanas Park. His mother, English woman, Cynthia. So you see mother last week at the funeral has called Jamaica home for several decades. Silvera was born into an affluent family of landowners, so you know, same rich, you know. His grandfather, Edmund Silvera, was a wealthy banana farmer who owned several hundred acres of land in St. Mary. I know St. Mary and them place which was the banana, you know, banana factory and them thing there, because this is the man we call the banana chips too. Yeah. You understand? So you know, same grandfather Edmund was a rich man, you know, so you know a whole heap of people know them. So Jolyan Silvera burst onto the political scene in 2011 general election. Silvera contested the Western St. Mary constituency for Portia Simpson Miller's PMP criminal organization and upset all odds when he unseated another hometown boy, Robert Montague. That time man say boy, him uncle Oberman. We like Bobby still doing it, yeah, we like Bobby. Yeah man, cause Bobby survived, he broke them neck. See, you understand? So Silvera immediately vaulted into national spotlight by unseating the formidable Montague, who went into that election as the state minister in charge of local government. In that 2011 general election, Silvera polled 9,693 votes, 227 more than Bobby Montague. So boy, Silvera bust Bobby Montague as in a shock him. So Montague though had his revenge in 2016 general election, polling 11. Oh, so Bobby do better this time now. Polling 11,710 votes to trash Silvera by well over 3,000 votes. The justification for someone born in the United Kingdom to be a political representative in the Jamaican Parliament depends on several factors outlined in the Jamaican Constitution and relevant laws. So we are give you some reason why, you know, Silvera, why he was able to represent the PMP criminal organization in Parliament, and it was legal. And like one time where, you know, because a man can't talk Jamaican and, you know, and one and two little things, and have even a Jamaican passport, you know, you have to relinquish all ties to certain other jurisdiction. That's why you have all some labor right, like Muir and all them guys there. where them have Venezuelan passport and all them things, they call them a Spanish. Them have for us, them not give them not relinquish them passport, you know. Them citizenship to Venezuela, so them just keep it and say, you know, I'm gonna run again. You understand? So we're moving on. So citizenship to be a member, yeah. So to be a member of the Jamaican Parliament, yeah, to be a MP in Jamaica, one must be a Jamaican citizen, regardless of where they were born. This can be achieved through several ways, including birth in Jamaica. This automatically grants Jamaican citizenship. Yeah, so what the law is saying that, you know, from your Jamaican citizen, yeah man, you can become a member of Parliament. But if you understand, you know, that's somebody have to vote for you, you know, because you know some people them feel like say, boy, because you're Jamaican, you know, you can't just become a parliamentarian. You have to go through various steps for people to vote for you. I know that's so it go on them thing, like, you understand? Yeah. So as them say, first, you know, you have to born in Jamaica. This automatically grants you Jamaican citizenship. As to me, you know, that would disqualify me, because you understand, me and Wilford Rattigan and them people there, yeah, disqualify you. And I'll even Jamaicans who have American passports, you cannot represent by law, you understand? Or descent from Jamaican parents. Children born outside Jamaica to Jamaican parents automatically become citizens. Naturalization. Non-Jamaicans can acquire citizenship through marriage, residency, or other process outlined in the Jamaican Nationality Act. Constitutional requirements beyond citizenship. The Jamaican Constitution specifies additionally requirement for becoming a member of Parliament. So this are telling you the age. So they say the age must be at least 21 years old. Residents must have resided in Jamaica for at least 12 months before nomination. Disqualification. A person cannot be disqualified under specific provision such as holding an incompatible office or being convicted of certain crimes. Yeah, so you know, say okay, so you know, say like Dudus now, Dudus can become a member of Parliament because we have him convicted in certain crimes. Like Isaac Buchanan, not because Isaac Buchanan could not be a member of Parliament because I'm convicted for drugs. You understand? Yeah, I'm a big drugs dealer. So justification for non-Jamaican born MPs, representation of Jamaican diaspora. Jamaicans living abroad are estimated to be over 2 million. Some argue that non-Jamaicans born individuals with strong ties to Jamaican communities abroad can effectively represent their interests and concerns in Parliament. Expertise and skills. Regardless of birthplace, specific individual may possess valuable knowledge or skills that benefit the Jamaican Parliament. Their continuous contribution could outweigh concern about their birthplace, evolving national identity. Jamaica is a diverse nation with a migration and cultural exchange history. Some argue that national identity transcends birthplace and that qualified individual, regardless of origin, can contribute to the country political process. And we are telling from now, you know, say next 20 years from now, Jamaica got a Chinese Prime Minister, and more than a third of the member of Parliament is going to be Chinese. 20 years from now, if I am still alive, and look at the transformation is going to happen in time the Chinese them take over Jamaica. Different thing are going to happen. Watch. You see all of them look nastiness where you see I go on and them thing there. You're going to see conservatism coming. Watch how the man deal with criminal. Chinese, 20 years from now. You understand? That's smart my word. Can I say a year first of the Jamaica Young Police channel. So them say argument against non-Jamaican born MPs. Lack of understanding. Opponents argue that non-Jamaican born individuals may need more lived experience life experience and cultural understanding to represent Jamaica constituents' interests effectively. Dual loyalties. Concern exists about potential conflicts of interest if a member of parliament has allegiances to Jamaica and their country of birth. Just like Silvera born in UK, but in my part that Jamaica is part of the Commonwealth. So there's a capital wealth, that means that Jamaica have no wealth. You understand? So undermining national cohesion, some argue that electing non-Jamaican born individuals weaken the sense of national identity and shared history that binds Jamaican together. Ultimately, the justification for non-Jamaican born individuals to serve as member of parliaments in Jamaica is a complex issue with no easy answers. So they must say, the justification for a non-Jamaican born individual to serve as a member of parliament is a complex issue with no easy answer. So they must act like somebody who born in Colombia or born in Cuba, and then them come to Jamaica, married to a Jamaican, with a woman or a man, and them get them Jamaican papers, and they must say, boy, there's no, you can't, they must say, boy, the justification for a non-Jamaican but to serve as member, they must say it's complex. So, them don't want to say, they don't want to go out on a limb and say, boy, it's wrong. That you don't want to elect someone who was not born in a Jamaica and them get them Jamaican citizenship through their spouse or maybe them children. You understand? Yeah, when we say them children, because some foreigner and go Jamaica and have kids too, whether or not you want to believe it. Jamaica, Jamaica the central hub in the world, So when even American go to Jamaica and have them child down at Jamaica, the child is an American and a Jamaican. So you can't squeeze them out, because that's how them born. You have to realize that. When I was in the military, I met a man, an officer. Yeah, man, he was born in Montego Bay. I'm not going to call his name and them thing there. And I found out, I was on the phone, talking in a Jamaican dialect. And he was standing there for maybe 20 minutes or more. And when I was through, because in the military, I enlisted, so he's an officer, I have to salute him and thing, and you understand. And him start laugh. Him salute me back, and him say, petty officer, him say, Wagwan Porter. I say, wait. Him say, petty officer. I say, so we learn to speak like him. I say, I'm a Jamaican man, just like you. White man, blue eye and them thing there. And him tell me year where him born and them thing there. I say, yeah man, a Jamaican I'm born. And then him start tell me, and I say, yeah, whole heap of we in the military. Whole heap of we in the military and them thing there. And my family have business at Jamaica and all of these things. And what I tell you, him story, when me and him sit down and talk and them thing there. So you see, America is it's a country where when them see things way out, Cause his family them have ties at Jamaica and him have parents them still live down there and them thing. I'm not gonna call the name, cause them have all business and all them thing there. When he's going to Jamaica, boy, him allow Uncle Sam, him can't travel. Him can't travel with 2 passports. So when him go to Jamaica and them thing there, and I am not allowed to do it, but him can do it. You understand? Because him get special privilege to do that and them thing. If him go to Jamaica, when him go to Jamaica, him just check in with him Jamaican passport. And me can't do it, but him can't do it. Because him have to renounce something, because I'm American and Jamaican. Him can't do it, but you understand what I'm saying? Because film loyalty, them are more say, have to, you understand? So when him go to Jamaica and them thing there, them can't tell him say him have to go stay this long or that long. And that's a beauty about it with them. And because of him now, film parents, them get for them papers, them Jamaican papers and passport, them are American, you understand? So I saw them do it. So you have many, so not because, so you have to be careful. That was the day when I realized, not because somebody white or blue eye and this and that, don't assume say them are American, because you're in America. And especially in the military. This man was Jamaican. I tell you, said, the man, trust me, him used to even go to a certain prominent school, Monroe College too. You understand? But him can switch and go right back in an American accent, and you don't even know. Say, you understand what I'm saying? So I tell you, so Americans, you know, some not easy people, them thing you can't run on. So we'll continue the journey. So ultimately, the justification for non-Jamaican born individual to serve as member of parliament in Jamaica is a complex issue. Yes, and it depends on the individual qualifications, adherence to legal requirements, and involving views on national identity and representation within Jamaican context. It's important to note that the specific case you mentioned requires further examination of Jolyan Silvera's circumstances and whether he fulfills our legal and constitutional requirement for holding office. So you know the PMP, yeah. So that now you know that now them things. So you know when you're born at England and Canada, because it's a part, you know, because England, you know, England is a mother country, and Canada, all of these countries are part of the Commonwealth. So when you're born in anything to do with the monarch, yeah, you know, British monarch, the British Empire, them can't serve in a parliament without no questions asked. You can't trouble them. You understand? But if you're American, a different thing. Because America is not aligned to the British monarch. Because remember, them get independence in the 18th century. You understand? So we'll continue the journey. So it is important to note that specific case, in every case different. So Silvera now, after him lose to Bobby Montague in 2016, boy, the PMP them bypass him, Silvera, for the 2020 general elections that are 4 years ago. You know, it's going 4 years. So despite that, Jolyan Silvera has been always been close to his party. He served a stint as chairman of the PMP's founders group. So he married Melissa in 2015. That was his second marriage. He and Melissa share 4 children. However, tragedy struck in 2017 when 2-year-old Justin drowned in the pool at their Jolyan residence in St. Andrew. Why, and little did the wife know that, say, boy, less than 6 years after that, she would have died in the same place too. And him would have killed her. In 2023, Jolyan Silvera was a prominent in the PMP criminal organization island-wide meetings, and he might meet with supporters and he might give speech. He was a good orator. So his campaign involvement stopped when the police announced in December last year, that of 2023, that the death of his wife was being treated as a case of murder. So today, Jolyan Silvera's future is highly uncertain. He will spend tonight behind the bars, sleeping on a comfortable mattress, where he will have enough time to contemplate how he has moved from being a high-profile member of one of the most gilded St. Mary families to being locked in a jail cell with a murder charge hanging over his head. Did you know that Jolyan Silvera, the renowned PMP criminal organization politician, was not born in Jamaica? Yeah, man, that's right. Despite his strong ties to the island culture, Jolyan was born in the United Kingdom. Growing up in a Jamaican household, Jolyan embraced the vibrant rhythms and rich heritage of his Jamaican family roots. From an early age, he immersed himself in the culture and lifestyle and adopted the island with a deep appreciation for his Jamaican heritage. But Jolyan's story is even more fascinating because he seamlessly blended his British upbringing with his Jamaican soul. The fusion of these two worlds has shaped his unique artistic style and propelled him to the forefront of the political landscape. With his family close ties to the PMP criminal organization, he was accepted by the bigwigs and his family's tie to the political party. Jolyan has captivated audiences island-wide in Jamaica through his oratory as a political speaker, spreading messages of improving people's lives, unity, love, and cultural understanding. His deeply personal message reflects his journey of self-discovery, bridging the gap between his British origin and Jamaican identity. As we unveil the truth about Jolyan Silvera's surprising origins, we invite you to embrace the diversity within us all. Let Jolyan Silvera's story inspire you to embrace your heritage and celebrate the beautiful tapestry of culture that make up our world. Yeah man, so thanks for joining us on this incredible journey. Yeah man, remember to give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, it's because some people watch but they're not listening. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, yeah man, subscribe to the channel and select all. And remember to share the video with a girlfriend, your boyfriend, and tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel, that we over here, we don't like criminals. We hate them with a passion. We don't care who's the guy or who the girl. So together we can build a more inclusive and harmonious world. So we unravel the astonishing origin of Jolyan Silvera, a remarkable individual whose story leaves you stunned, amazed, and shocked. Contrary to popular belief, Jolyan Silvera originated from somewhere other than Jamaica. Yeah man, born in the United Kingdom, his journey and his heritage are bound to captivate your imagination. Prepare to delve deep into the compelling experience that have shaped Jolyan Silvera's identity and aspirations. We reveal the truth behind his surprising origin and explore the unique cultural blend that has influenced his perspective on life. From his upbringing in the United Kingdom to the diverse influences that have shaped his character, he prepares for an exhilarating exploration like no other. Discover the intriguing circumstances that led Silvera down the path less traveled, defying assumptions and breaking barriers. This thought-provoking video gives insight into his challenges, the triumph he achieved, and the incredible people who impacted his remarkable journey. Whether you are a fan of Jolyan Silvera or fascinated by inspiring stories and discovering one's authentic self, this video is a must-watch. Join us as we reveal the truth behind his surprising origin, shedding light on the incredible tapestry that makes him who he is today. So if you're looking for an eye-opening and enlightening experience, yeah man, just continue to hit the play button and prepare to be mesmerized. Yeah man, as you know, you listen to Jolyan Silvera's incredible story. So please take advantage of the chance to explore identity and cultural and finds one's place in this world. So you know, Jolyan Silvera is not only a controversial figure, but you know he is alleged, you know, to be the person who killed his wife, shot her in her sleep and killed her. So now his 3 sons, you know, that are alive, and you know, still there in the old Stony Hill old residence. They are there now by themselves whilst he's not there, but you know, they have their grandparents and others. So you know, if the viewers, you know, loyal viewers and subscribers and audience members and Patreon members, if you want to know some in-depth things about Jolyan Silvera, like in background, you know, just let us know, and you know, we dig deeper. But you know, we have other things doing so. But we'll just continue the journey, and we just want to keep the people abreast. Some people, yes, you know, we had, as we said, you know, we had received a message that people, you know, ask us what we want out of this, and I like, what? Yes, with this YouTube thing, as we said, we just want Mako Country, that's it. We don't want anything else, and we are not in YouTube for any profit, period. We're just doing this, and we do it because we love it. You see him like how one time we did in the police force, and we are ride bicycle because we love fighting crime. We didn't ride bicycle and anything because we are getting a special privilege. We never get none. Yeah, we never get no special privilege. You understand? We ride the bicycle because we hate criminals. But I just saw it go on them thing there. Some people are, boy, I don't know how you do it on them thing there, and them not even give you anything. Well, I saw a force go on them thing there. You have to connect it, and we never have no connection on them thing there, you know. We never have no Godfather. Well, you understand what I'm saying? Yeah, we never have no Walcott Brown and all them guys there. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel. Out.